Hello everyone, so in this video we will discuss this question, delete node at the ith position. Okay, so just like the previous question, what we will do, so in this video we will discuss the question and I will give you the hint to solve the question, and in the next video we will discuss the solution for this question. Okay, so now let us discuss the question. So again, what we will do, first let us take array for understanding the question and for understanding the problem with the arrays. So if this is your array and this is your data, let's say 1, 4, -1, 7, 8, 9 and so on, and these are your indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So suppose you want to delete the data which is present at index 2. Okay, so you want to delete the data present at index 2, so you will go to index 2, and for deleting the data, so what you have to do, you have to shift all these elements towards left by one position. You have to shift all the elements towards left by one position. Then what will be your array? So your array will be 1, then you have 4, then basically you have 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this will be your new array, and you can see, so data -1 is now deleted. So again, this is the problem with the array. If you want to delete the data which is present at the ith position, you have to shift rest of the elements. You have to shift rest of the elements towards left by one position. Now in case of linked list, so if this is my linked list, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and these are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's say I want to delete the data which is present at position 2. So what I have to do, so basically I will reach at this node, and after reaching this node, simply I will make this connection. Simple. So node 3 will automatically get deleted, because what will be my linked list? So my linked list will look like this: 1, then I have 2, then I have 4, then I have 5, and there is also this node 3. Okay, so when you will make this connection, so this connection will be removed. So node 3 is also there, so node 3 is also there, but it is pointing towards 4. But this node 3, no one knows the address of this node. Okay, because as soon as you make this connection, the address of this node has been lost. So no one knows this node, and this is your head. So if you will iterate over your linked list to print the linked list, 1, then 2, then 4 and then 5. Okay, so in linked list it is very easy to delete. We just have to make this connection. For making this connection, so suppose this is your current pointer. Okay, so what you will write for making this connection, so it is very simple. The next of current. Okay, this is your current. So what will be the next of current? So next of current is next of next. So basically next of next. So if you will write this line, the next of current, the next of current is next of next. So next of next. So you will make this connection. Simple. Now what are the special cases that you need to consider? So again, if the value of I is basically less than 0, that is not a valid index. If the value of I is 0, that means I want to delete the head node. I want to delete the head node. Okay, so in that case, what I will delete my head node. Now again, so what is the maximum possible valid index? So the maximum possible valid index is basically length -1. So here you can see the length is 5, so 4 is the maximum valid index. So that means if the value of I is greater than or equals to the length, then that index is basically invalid and we will not do anything. And similarly in this case we will not do anything. And to complete this function, so what will be the return type? So return type of the function will be node star. So let me write it here. Okay, so the return type of the function will be node star. You will return the updated head of our linked list. The name of the function, let's say delete ith node, and what it will take as input. So it is very simple. Again, it is going to take the head of the linked list as input and the index. Then you will write the code. Okay, and for writing the code you can take the help of this function. Okay, you can update this function to obtain this function. Simple. So I hope you guys can write the code for this function, delete ith node. In the next video I will discuss the solution. Okay, so try your best. Bye bye.